in action. We're back in the action, boys. I got the flu. I'm sweating really bad, so it's gonna be quick, and that's why I chose this video to do today. I've been puking my brains out. So I just put on a shirt, put on a thong, and I said, hey, let's film this one. Back in action. So this is going to be a real short video, but there was no way I wasn't going to do it because we've got this merch unboxing that I've been looking forward to forever now, and I had to unbox it. And I think the coolest thing with this merch that I'm about to unbox, which is actually from FAZE Clan, which is dope to me because I know a few members of it, so I kind of want to get involved with wearing the merch, supporting the stuff. But I think the cool part about it is this merch isn't shit, and any YouTuber merch you ever see is shit, so I just wanted to unbox it for you guys today. Also, with a quick bonus that I actually found some free stuff off Wish that we're also going to be unboxing that I found, which I've never seen before. I guess some Chinese dude out there put some chains up on Wish for free, you just pay shipping on it, that have to do with YouTubers. So I thought that'd be the perfect video to add that into. Unboxing this new merch we got from the FAZE Clan themselves, and that's it. That's what the video is. I'm overly stoked for it. I don't know if you guys really want to see this, but I really want to see how this merch actually looks in person. It's a dope collaboration. But real quick, before we get into this video, of course it is brought to you by the boys over at Rose Gold and Black. If you guys don't know about them, they've got a crazy holiday sale going on right now. They sell bracelets kind of like this one. These are like real rocks, bro. I'm pretty sure they're valuable. They got chains, they got watches, they got accessories like rings and da-da-da-da-da. The cool thing is, once again, they're having a sale, so if you guys want to go check them out, that link down below, only when you click it, you'll get 20% off your full order plus free shipping with their New Year's holiday sale. They're selling out fast, so you guys probably want to do it. Also, if you use code HOLIDAY19, you guys are going to get an additional % off. So y'all are almost getting 50% off from rosegoldandblack.com. It's all I wear. Go check them out, boys. They're hooking you up for the new year. Go into 2020 with rocks on your wrists. You know what I mean? Except not the cool ones. They're not diamonds. They're just regular rocks, but it's dope. Anyway, man, getting into it. Once again, this is just a video I wanted to put out. We're actually going to save this for last. This is a box of FAZE merch. What I really want to get into first is the free stuff I got off Wish. Obviously, once again, you pay shipping, but I thought it was really dope. And I thought, here's the first one. I thought it had to do with this video. And some of these pieces look pretty cool. This one, oh, shit, what the f***? So this is what I thought I bought. I'm going to pop it up on the screen. F*** you! This is what I got. You. Well, we're 0 for 1 so far. Anyway, what that was supposed to be is a super sick FAZE Clan. I gotta check that link again because what we got is a FAZE Clan pendant. You guys can see it's got FAZE on the inside. I mean, it was free from Wish. I probably paid $2 shipping, but still, F you. I don't even believe in Jesus. Why do I got a Jesus piece? This is a cool Kodak song. You don't even believe in Jesus. Why you got a Jesus piece? You. Anyway, free off Wish, not sponsored, should be. Next up, there was one really sick one. Yeah, this one looked cool. It comes in actually a baggie. I could see what it is on the inside. This one was pretty sick. I don't like Jake Paul whatsoever. You. But I saw this. I waited to open up this box for this video because I thought this was super dope. If you're actually into Team 10, which is what this chain is, for free, it's pretty freaking dope. There we go right there. It also gives me a good title for the video. I'm not gonna lie to you boys. I got free da-da-da merch off Wish or something like that. It's probably gonna be the title. This whole video is an excuse to open this up right here, which I'm stoked for. There's the pendant from Team 10, free from Wish. Let's see if it'll crack. It's very sturdy. That might be real metal. Next up, sorry if I'm going fast. I want to get into this. Oh, we had one more. We had one more, and now we're done. Come on, man. We have one more f***ing package. F*** it. Let's get into the unboxing of this new FAZE Clan stuff, dude. So my goal in this is for, like I say, I know a couple of the boys, but I ain't asking for freebies. So my goal is for them to see this video and send me some freebies without me asking. Because I'm pretty sure what I just said isn't me asking. Okay, here we go. I'm a sucker for good damn merch, man. I actually bought one of these pieces for you guys. First piece that I'm gonna open up is this right here. I don't wear these. I think they're ridiculous. It's a fanny pack, but kids are into them nowadays. It's not my style. But as you guys can see, what we bought is a FAZE Clan Kappa collaboration, which I thought was just really wicked. So anyway, I bought this for one of you guys. I didn't actually want it, but it's a size small. So if somebody wants this, leave a comment down below, thumbs up. My Instagram's right here. I'll send it to you. One of you guys, I don't know how I'm gonna pick. It'll just be random. F you. This next one though, man. This is just sick stuff. I'm a huge fan of Kappa as it is. I have a few of their pieces. I saw the FAZE stuff coming out, and as we're doing merch unboxings, I had to do a merch unboxing of this for sure, because this is the craziest YouTuber merch I've seen. FAZE Clan 10, I don't know what that means, nor do I care. We got Kappa on one side, we got FAZE Clan on the other. The one thing I really wanted was their champion collaboration, which I couldn't get my hands on. Maybe I can. I haven't really tried that hard, but I think that'd be dope. And last up, boys, I didn't buy too much. I wanted just the easy stuff to wear, stuff I'd actually wear. We got another one right here. The classic logo, the quality's insane. This isn't a regular shirt, it's like a goddamn jersey. The coolest merch I've seen. I have to show love to other YouTubers, not just FAZE or whatever like that, but other YouTubers doing cool merch. I want to do that. We do a lot of rapper videos. I want to start doing some YouTuber merch unboxings because I think that'd be really dope. I have a bunch of my friends that actually have really good merch, pretty good merch, that I might do videos on in the future. Anyway, that's it. We got free things from Wish, which I will never wear. This thing sucks ass. It's a great pendant, but it's bad. It looks bad. It's not cool. And then we got some cool FAZE Clan merch right here. Had to do it. Had to do it for the boys. Man, there we go. We're back in action. I'm sick. I actually have the flu, which is why I'm trying to make this fast. If you guys can't see, I've been speeding this up a little bit. We're out blow.